Tensions soared again as reports claimed that 3 Indian Rafale fighter jets were shot down by Pakistan's Chinese-made J-10C. This raised a major question. How could a third-generation jet like the J-10C defeat the far more advanced 4.5 generation Rafale? In this video, Get That Process takes a deep dive into China's fighter jets, J-10, J-20, and J-35, and explores the strategic reasons behind Pakistan's success. We'll also look at what this could mean for Indonesia, which is set to receive its Rafales starting in 2026. Kashmir has been a disputed region between India and Pakistan since their independence in 1947. Both countries claim the territory, leading to repeated military skirmishes, including in the air. As a result, Kashmir remains one of the most volatile military flashpoints in South Asia. Developed by Chengdu Aircraft Industry, the J-10 has become a staple of the Chinese Air Force. Initially powered by Russian engines, it now uses China's domestically built WS-10 engines. The J-10 is lighter and slightly faster than the Rafale, capable of speeds up to 2,200 kilometers per h, and it's equipped with AESA radar. Pakistan has been operating 25 J-10Cs since 2022, and nearly 600 have been produced, used exclusively by China and Pakistan. India's Rafale jets have been extensively covered in a previous Get That Process video, from their specs to their stealth capabilities. In this video, however, we'll focus on how Chinese-made jets like the J-10, J-20, and J-35 are giving even a highly advanced aircraft like the Rafale a run for its money. China's 5th-gen stealth fighters. China is stepping up its air power with jets like the J-20, nicknamed the Mighty Dragon, a 5th-generation stealth fighter designed for multiple missions, including air superiority and electronic warfare. Then there's the J-35, a carrier-based stealth jet developed by Shenyang Aircraft Corporation. It's considered a more affordable option for countries wanting stealth capabilities, with an estimated cost of $70 million per unit. It's all about BVR. Defense analyst Ewan Hermawan explains that modern air combat isn't about close-range dogfights anymore. It's about BVR, or beyond visual range. In these engagements, the winner is usually the one with the better radar, sensors, and long-range strike systems, not necessarily the more agile jet. One of Pakistan's biggest advantages is its Swedish-made Saab 2000 ERE AWACS aircraft. These early warning systems can detect targets up to 450 kilometers away, allowing Pakistan to monitor enemy jets and plan coordinated strikes. AWACS played a key role during the 2019 Kargil conflict as well. As Indonesia prepares to receive Rafales in 2026, this incident highlights a crucial lesson. Victory in air combat depends not just on advanced jets, but also on the integration of support systems, strategy, and personnel training. With the right systems in place, like radar networks and AWACS, Rafale can still be a formidable asset in Indonesia's air defense. Air superiority isn't just about having the latest or most expensive jet, it's about having the right mix of strategy, systems, and readiness. So do you think Indonesia made the right call with Rafale? Or should we be looking at other options? Let us know in the comments and stay tuned to Get That Process for more high-flying insights.